Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is HP X360 model's laptop, which is 15 inch, and the actual model number is 15-EE Echo Echo 0002NA. Alright, so as you can see, the right hinge almost came out from the top lid, okay, and that could damage the actual screen at any time. And here is the model number, just to show you. Make sure you get the right part to do that if you have same sort of problem. So in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this top lid. As you can see, that's the 15-inch one. Changing the top lid for 13-inch laptop and 15-inch laptop, always same. All right. So let's do that. So if you have this sort of problem, what you have to do, the first thing, if the screen is still intact, not damaged, then you have to be very careful and very precisely you have to handle it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to replace the top lid, and while I do that, I'm going to show you how to replace the screen as well. So this video would cover up both solution. Solution number one, if you have to replace the screen, you would know how to do that. If you would like to replace your top lid, also you'd know how to do that. Even if you do have problem with your hinges, then you can change the hinges in the same video. So first thing, let's separate the top panel from the motherboard panel. In that way, we'd have more flexibility, more room to perform this repair or replacement. And I know many people, they try to replace the screen or the top lid while the actual LCD flex connected to the motherboard, even without disconnecting the battery, which is really dangerous. You know, that could damage the entire GPU. So first thing is first, what are you going to do? We're going to take out all the screws from the back panel, included the hidden screws, and then we'll get access, disconnect the battery first, take out all the screws from both hinges, either 3 or 4, whatever in there. Also would disconnect all the additional cables which one comes through the motherboard. Example, LCD cable, Wi-Fi antenna cable or webcam cable, whatever in there, we're going to separate it and then we're going to work into it. So let's do that. So this is a touch enabled laptop, so that's mean the actual screen is more sensitive than ordinary laptops, so you have to be very careful. Second problem is, you know, this screen attached with very strong adhesive. There are two strips, one at the left, another one at the right. That's what kept the actual screen into the top lid housing. Okay, so as you can see, those are flimsy, so that's mean that is completely broken. Now to take out this screen would be a little bit challenging. This screen attached with two strips, one at the left, another one at the right, and that's what adhesive strip kept the screen into its place. Okay, so let's apply some heat like that. You can use the hair dryer, you can blow it into full speed for a couple of minutes, and that would soften the adhesive and we can take out the screen easily. At this point, I'm trying to reach to this adhesive strip, and don't try to push too much in there, and make sure the flat opening tool made from plastic. Okay, that's the reason I put a lot of heat at the back, and that's why it's coming out slowly. If you don't put enough heat and if you try to make a gap like that, you're gonna crack the screen, 100% sure, you know. So I can see there is a black strip. As you can see, that's the one. Now you just need to rotate it, roll it until the end, and you're gonna find same sort of adhesive strip on the other side. Now you see, easily this one came off. Still would not be able to pull this screen because there is another adhesive strip in here, and it was kind of struggling to get into it because this is a little bit shorter than actual size, you know. So let's put some more heat and we'll try to get in there. We'll apply the same procedure. Alright, so finally it has done. Now let's check. Successfully we replace the top lid and the screen. As you can see, the screen is fully functional. There is no any damage or anything. It took about an hour to replace it, and that was first time this week that I replaced this model. 5 of them, all of them so far successful. I just made it little bit fast forward this video just to make it shorter because people doesn't have patience to watch that long. But believe me, this sort of repair costs time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.